If you own a home service business and August feels like somebody suddenly just shut the phones off, you're not imagining it. Now, this won't pertain to every business, but it does have to do with most of you. You see, a lot of our clients had a very good July, but then August hit and things just got slow. And I mean really slow. But before you panic and shut off your advertising, don't. Because that may be the worst thing you could do right now, and here's why. Hi guys, Mike Mancini here. We manage Google Ads for home service companies all over the country, and I'm making this video because I know a lot of you are probably sitting there asking, what the hell happened? Is it my business? Is it my advertising? Did Google Ads just suddenly stop working? And in many cases, the answer is absolutely not. We're seeing this across the board right now for most of our clients, and I'm going to tell you what's happening. Statistics show that the U.S. home services market is about $600 billion in 2026, with roughly 2.5 million home service businesses competing just for that work. So the market is still enormous. But the problem is consumers are just being much more careful about when and where they spend their money. And just look at what's happening around them, and this is just the first reason. As of August 6th, the 30-year mortgage rate is 6.69%. Existing home sales fell 2.4% in June, and Realtor.com reported that new listings dropped 8.6% from June to July, while 20% of homes listed in July had a price cut. Now, people are still buying and selling homes, but we're still dealing with a pretty weak housing market compared with what home service companies would like to see, and that matters. Because when somebody sells a house, what do? They fix things. They paint, they clean it up, they replace things, they get the house ready to sell. And when somebody buys a house, they paint it, they replace the flooring, they redo the electrical, fix the plumbing, replace the HVAC system, they build that fence. They'll redo their landscaping, whatever it might be. Home transactions create home service work. And when fewer people are moving, a lot of that work simply doesn't happen. Then look at the remodeling world. Angie found that 71% of homeowners had postponed a planned home project, while 62% said they were more concerned about being able to afford home maintenance. And that is huge, right? And then there's gas. Regular gas nationally is sitting at around $4.10 a gallon right now, compared with about $3.14 a year ago. That's roughly a 30% increase. It affects your trucks, it affects your margins, and it affects your customers' wallets. So here are some very real reasons why home services are struggling right now, but there's another factor here, and simply put, it's just August. And August, especially the second half of the month, can just be weird for home service companies. People are finishing vacations, kids are going back to school, parents getting kids off to college. People are trying to squeeze the last couple weeks out of their summer. And those home projects, they just get pushed off. Now, am I saying September 1st hits and magically everyone's phone starts ringing? Absolutely not. But historically, we start seeing demand shift again as people get back into their normal routines and start thinking about fall and winter. And there are numbers behind that. As an example, search demand for heating system repair has been shown to increase 594% in the fall. And those other services that people have avoided doing because of those summer vacations and other things going on, those tend to surface again. So help is around the corner. But that brings me to the biggest point of this video. Do not disappear right now. If money is tight, I understand. Tighten your advertising. Cut bad search terms. Narrow your locations. Stop wasting money on services that don't make you anything. Focus your budget on the services that make you the most money. But don't shut everything off because you had a bad couple of weeks or a bad month. Because when there are fewer leads, every lead matters just that much more. Did you know that Scheduling Kit reports that 85% of homeowners choose the first contractor who responds, and businesses responding within 5 minutes convert at 3.5 times the rate? So this is the time to get better, not disappear. Answer the phone, follow up faster, track every single lead, know exactly what's producing revenue, and stay in front of the people who are ready to buy. Because slow periods end. They always do. And when demand starts coming back, you want to already be there. So if you're a home service company struggling with Google Ads right now, or you're not sure whether the problem is your advertising or just simply the market, reach out to us at Mancini Digital. We can take a look and tell you what we're seeing, and there's a link below if you want to schedule a quick call. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.